Welcome to the kitchen wizardry, where we turn everyday cooking into an extraordinary experience. Today we're diving into the world of smart and savvy kitchen life hacks. These aren't just any hacks, they're game changers, designed to simplify your cooking routine while adding a dash of fun. We'll be unveiling 3 trending life hacks, each one holding the power to transform your kitchen time into something magical. But we won't give too much away just yet. So buckle up and prepare to revolutionize your kitchen skills with these trending life hacks. Dive into our first life hack, the quick and clean way to peel garlic. We've all been there, haven't we? You're in the middle of preparing a delicious meal and suddenly you're faced with the task of peeling garlic. It's time-consuming, it's messy, and let's not even mention the lingering smell on your hands. But what if I told you there's a quicker, cleaner way? Yes, you heard it right. Enter the 2-bowl method. A hack that's been gaining popularity among home cooks and professionals alike. All you need are 2 bowls of the same size and of course your garlic. Here's how it works. First, you're going to break your garlic bulb into individual cloves. Don't worry about peeling them just yet. Once you've separated the cloves, place them into one of the bowls. Now take the second bowl and place it upside down over the first one, creating a dome-like enclosure. Are you ready for the magic? Hold the bowls together and shake vigorously. You'll hear the garlic cloves bouncing around, but don't worry, they're not getting bruised, they're getting peeled. After about 10 to 15 seconds, you can stop shaking. When you open the bowls, you'll be greeted with perfectly peeled cloves of garlic, no mess in sight. There you have it, garlic peeled in seconds, not a single bit of mess. Isn't that a game changer? Moving on to our second life hack, the no-mess way to cut bell peppers. We all know the traditional way of cutting these colorful veggies. You slice off the top, cut it in half, and then spend what feels like hours picking out seeds that have scattered all over your kitchen counter. It's a chore that no one looks forward to, but what if I told you there's a better way, a way that lets you enjoy the sweet crunch of bell peppers without the mess? Well, buckle up because we're about to revolutionize your kitchen routine. Instead of slicing the pepper in half, we're going to cut around the top just like we're carving a pumpkin. Make your incision around the stem, then pull out the core. You'll be amazed at how many seeds come out with it. The best part? There's no mess to clean up afterward. As for the rest of the pepper, you can now slice it into rings, dice it, julienne it, or chop it however you like. It's a clean, efficient, and hassle-free method. This little trick will not only save you from the tedious task of picking up rogue seeds, but it will also make your kitchen time more enjoyable. So the next time you're preparing a dish that calls for bell peppers, remember this life hack. Voila! A beautifully cut bell pepper without the usual mess. Cutting bell peppers will never be the same again. Let's round off with our third life hack, the easy way to separate egg yolks. We've all been there, haven't we? Trying to juggle that slippery yolk from shell to shell, hoping it doesn't break. Or maybe you've tried the hand method, letting the egg white slip through your fingers. It can be tricky and, let's face it, kind of messy. But don't worry, we've got an easier way. Enter the humble plastic bottle, your new best friend in the kitchen. You might be thinking, what? How can a plastic bottle help me with eggs? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. This little trick is all about suction, and it's going to revolutionize your egg game. Here's how it works. Crack your egg into a bowl, just as you normally would. Then take an empty, clean plastic bottle and squeeze it slightly to force some air out. Position the bottle's opening over the yolk and gently release your squeeze. Like magic, the yolk gets sucked right up into the bottle, leaving the white behind. This method is not just fun, it's highly effective, resulting in a perfect yolk and white separation every time. It's clean, it's quick, and it's easy. No more yolk balancing acts and no more messy hands. And just like that, separating egg yolks has never been easier. Who knew a plastic bottle could be so handy? And that wraps up our kitchen life hacks for today. We've journeyed together through mastering the art of peeling garlic swiftly, slicing bell peppers without a mess, and separating egg yolks like a pro. These clever tricks are set to transform your kitchen routine by making it not only easier but also much more efficient. So don't just cook, innovate, and watch your kitchen tasks become a breeze. Try these hacks and experience the magic in your kitchen. Until next time, keep cooking and stay innovative.